Have you ever studied for weeks, entered an exam room, and suddenly felt your mind go blank? This experience is not a sign of poor preparation or low intelligence. It is often the result of a predictable neurobiological response known as an amygdala hijack. From an evolutionary perspective, the human brain evolved to detect threats rapidly. Thousands of years ago, threats included predators, starvation, and physical injury. Today, social evaluation, academic performance, and future career outcomes can activate many of the same neural pathways. When students perceive an exam as determining their future success, the brain's threat detection system becomes highly sensitive. The key structure involved is the amygdala, an almond-shaped group of nuclei located deep within the temporal lobes. The term amygdala hijack describes a situation in which emotional brain circuits temporarily dominate cognitive control systems. Under normal conditions, the prefrontal cortex helps us solve problems, focus attention, regulate emotions, retrieve memories, and make rational decisions. These functions are essential during examinations. However, when stress becomes excessive, the amygdala signals that immediate survival is more important than careful reasoning. As stress hormones increase, communication between the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex changes. The most effective intervention occurs before anxiety reaches its peak. Many students experience a recognizable sequence. First, a triggering thought appears. What if I fail? Then additional thoughts emerge. What if I forget everything? What if this ruins my future? These thoughts increase emotional arousal, which creates physical symptoms. Digital health approaches can help students regulate stress and maintain cognitive performance. Strategy 1, controlled breathing. Slow breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system. A simple technique is the 4-6 pattern. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. Longer exhalations help reduce physiological arousal and signal safety to the brain. High-stakes exams challenge more than knowledge. They challenge the brain's ability to regulate stress. When anxiety rises, the amygdala may interpret the exam as a threat and temporarily disrupt the cognitive systems needed for success.